And I'm just going to start off with the big one, and it's got smaller ones all the way down to like this small. So I will finish off with those. And I got a washer missing there. Where is that at? There we go. Okay, I gotta change the bits out on, or change these out. Let's go down to this one maybe. Because I got some small spots to get into there. Oh shit, I forgot I gotta change that. Go down one more. Okay, this is going to be the last of this one. I got to get this little bit off in here, and then it's going to be all hand. Okay, there it is. It's the rest I'm going to do by hand. I might do a little touch up more with the machine here, but I don't want to rip too much too deep. That cuts, pretty good shape, but I'll get it smoothed out by hand, and then I'll put the truss rod in. I do got to make that thinner, and I'll show how that's done before. That before or after the truss rod? I think that does after the truss rod is in, so. Or after I've got the groove for the truss rod. I can't remember. I'll have to look that up. So that's it for now. Catch you later. Bye.